This video is sponsored by Casetify. Alright guys, so if you have seen my channel before, you have seen some Casetify cases. And I've covered on my channel the impact case with the stand, the bounce case. Well, today we are taking a look at the Ultra Bounce case from Casetify. Now, before we get started, the price on this case is $100. The links are down in the description below, and you can go to www.casetify.com/BriansTech to get 15% off of your entire purchase at Casetify. So let's take a look. Now, this is the indigo color. We're actually gonna unbox the black color here. So taking a look at the packaging, very simple packaging here. Open it up, and you are greeted with your Casetify bounce case. So, getting all this stuff out to the side, you also get in here a strap card, and that will work with some of the other accessories that we have a little bit later on in the video. But basically, you just kind of open this up, just kind of rip through the packaging here, and let's take a look. So you are going to get this strap card right here, and basically that's going to allow you to attach a few accessories to your Ultra Bounce case when you are looking to use them. So we'll set this off to the side for right now and take a look. Now, of course, you get a little bit of an installation guide here. You can take a look at how that works, but I'll show you myself. So you are looking at the two colors that it comes in. Now, of course, you can get some customization with these cases as well on Casetify's website, but color-wise, it comes with these two. So let's actually take all the packaging off of this one. That was a nice, satisfying peel right there. Come in on the inside, you get your little Casetify thing right here, the little piece of paper, show that it's authentic. And you just kind of get some styrofoam, and that's pretty much it. So setting all that off to the side, and you are going to get one more little peel sticker in here. Very nice right there. And here we go. So starting off with the back of the case, you are going to get this polycarbonate material right here. You're going to get these Ultra Bounce corners and the top over here, as well as a completely enclosed camera ring right there. So if you see that, all of your lenses in here will be completely enclosed, so you get maximum protection with this case. This may be the most protective case that you can get for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So taking a look at the inside, you are greeted with some of this textured material here that's going to help with shock absorption. Of course, you have your MagSafe and alignment magnet there. And on the inside, you're going to get this test lock material going all the way around from Casetify, and that's going to give you up to 32.8 feet of drop protection. Now, this is 10 times military standard 810G tested. That means this thing is going to be ultra durable from drop protection. You can literally take it, launch it up, let it drop, throw it, and this thing will protect your phone perfectly. Now, I'm not one to do a drop test, so you're not going to see that here, but just know if you put the Ultra Bounce case on your phone, you will be absolutely good to go from just about any drops. Let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper. We'll see how thick it is, how much it weighs, and we'll go from there. So starting off, we are in grams, and we are looking at 74 grams. So for the protection that you are getting with this case, that's really not a big deal. 74 grams is really not that heavy considering what all you get with this. And just taking a look at the blue one, the indigo, making sure, yeah, we're looking at the same weight there. Now, moving along to our caliper here, let's see how thick it is. So going from front to back, you're looking at 14.7 millimeters. And from inside to outside, you are looking at 3.4 millimeters. So again, not the thickest case in the world, especially for that crazy drop protection. I know I keep going back to it, but that 32.8 feet of drop protection, you got to really think about how high 32.8 feet is. That's super impressive with this case. So let's go ahead and take our natural titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max. We'll put it in here and take a look at that click. So let's listen for that. Very nice, solid click on here. Let's check out those corners real quick. 1, good. 2, 3, and 4. So all 4 of your corners are going to click on here very, very nicely. The fit on this case is very tight, so you absolutely don't have to worry about when you do throw this up, for example, and drop it. You don't have to worry about this coming off of your phone. You're going to be completely good to go with the fit on here. Taking a look at the sides, how those fit, very, very good fit on here. The buttons are going to be a little bit more loose. Bottom, top, the top is definitely more stiff than the bottom. I would like to see the bottom be a little bit more stiff, but again, it doesn't lose its shape or anything like that. You pull it back, it goes right back there. And of course, with these Ultra Bounce corners, nothing's even going to touch the bottom of this if you drop it because it'll be, look at these corners. Look how thick those are. Those ultra bounce corners are absolutely going to protect your phone there. Now, taking a look at that camera control button, let's see. Yeah, I mean, it is pretty decently stiff on there. It doesn't go all the way down here. And when you do take and pull it, it goes right back to its original shape. Now, of course, we all want to see the button. I understand we want to see the camera control button. I'd love to see that on all cases, but as long as it's a good camera control button, it's not sharp, and it's very comfortable to click, and you know it's not going to rip from the case, you should be just fine with that. Now, like I said, this one, it's not going anywhere. It goes right back. I keep clicking the button. It goes right back to its original shape, so you have no issues there. Now let's take a look at that camera and screen protection. Now let me go ahead and wipe my screen down here. We'll wipe the camera bump off right there. And let's see. Now, starting off with the screen, I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're going to get a nice lip going all the way around the case. So you definitely do not have to worry about setting this down on pretty much any surface. Your screen should be protected there. And looking at that camera protection, of course, you do have that completely enclosed camera bump right there. All of your lenses, your lidar scanner, your flash, everything is nice and protected. And looking at that camera bump, you get a pretty decent camera bump right there. And of course, with that protection there, as well as these ultra bounce corners, you can definitely set this on literally any surface you want, and it's not gonna mess up the back of your phone. Looking at those ultra bounce corners, we can take a look right there. They stick out a good bit, so you absolutely do not have to worry about the back of your phone breaking, or really even this polycarbonate material here scratching. Now, how does this case feel in the hand? And it's actually not as bulky feeling as you would think for something this protective. Just taking a look at how that looks with that natural titanium, it looks really, really good right there. That's a very nice color combination. But when you hold it, the only thing you feel, of course, is these ultra bounce corners. But that is for somebody who really needs this protection. Let's say you're going out, you're a motorcycle rider, right? You want to take this, and I'll show you guys a couple accessories, how you can use it even more. But you want to take this, and let's say you park somewhere, and it accidentally slips out of your pocket, drops, you're not going to have any problems with your phone being broken. Now, of course, if you're going at some high speed or anything, that may be a different story. But for the everyday regular drops, whether you're on your bicycle, your motorcycle, let's say you work construction, let's say you work in some kind of environment that you may end up dropping your phone a good bit, this case will absolutely keep you protected with no issues there. All in all, it feels very nice in the hand. If you hold it just like this, you really can't even feel that it's a bigger case. It's not a pinky destroyer. You can hold it just like I do, just like this, and have no problems there. But all in all, when you do hold it, I mean, you are going to feel those ultra bounce corners. But again, this is for that target audience that needs this kind of protection. You may not mind that. Now let's take a look around the sides of the case. Starting off with the top, you are completely closed in. But also, you're going to get that ultra bounce top right here, which these little slots are going to help you attach some accessories, which I'll show you, like I said, in a little bit. Completely closed in top with that really good protection there. On the left-hand side, you are completely closed in here, and you do get these divots. So if you are to drop it on its side, of course, that's going to protect right there. You are going to get your action button, volume up and down, and the rest of it is closed. It does say recycling phone cases since 2021. Let's listen to how those buttons sound. Very nice clicky buttons on here. Now these buttons are going to be built in, but they do have the relief slits. The click on them has no issues. You can absolutely feel where those buttons are, although I would like to see them just raised up a little bit, especially since you get this much raised protection here. I would like to see them a little bit more raised up. That way you can kind of feel them a little bit better, but it's not bad on here. If it's in your pocket, your purse, your sling bag, or your backpack, whatever, you'll be able to feel these with no problems. Now moving along to the bottom, of course the bottom is protected here with the ultra bounce corners. You do get your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a pretty nice wide open USB Type-C port, which let's actually go ahead and bring over our Casetify cable here, and we'll plug this in. Let's see. We are charging, and yeah, look at all that space you get right there. That's going to be a very nice open USB Type-C port, so all of your thicker head cables will fit in there with really no issues at all. And then moving along to the right-hand side, again, this side is completely protected with your ultra bounce corners. You are going to get a cutout for that camera control button. You're going to get your power button here and a lanyard loop right there. Now, this case does not come with a lanyard, so that is something to note, but you can get Casetify's utility lanyard, which we'll talk about in a second, and that'll help you out a lot if you are somebody looking for a lanyard. So taking a look at that camera control button, it is very nicely grooved in here. I know with these kind of thicker cases, sometimes it may be hit or miss, but getting to that camera control button is very, very easy. We'll go ahead and zoom in, zoom out, take a little picture of ourselves right there. Here we go. And yeah, no issues hitting that button at all. It is very, very comfortable to get to. All of the edges are nice and grooved. No sharp corners, nothing. Everything is just fine. We can even go ahead and take a picture of this blue one here. Let's go ahead and zoom out, take that picture, and there we go. So let's go ahead and move on to the MagSafe test. Let's see how well MagSafe accessories work with the Casetify Ultra Bounce case. So starting off with our Apple MagSafe wallet, we'll bring that over here. Good connection onto there. Let's see, there's our animation, and you can definitely sit here and move this around, give it a good bit of force, and it's not going anywhere. So this is definitely gonna be your leather, your fine woven wallets approved with no issues. The MagSafe on this case is very good. It doesn't move at all, which is very nice, especially because it's a smooth leather on here and a completely polycarbonate material, so there's no texture on the back. Very good connection on there. You don't have to worry about using MagSafe wallets with this. Now moving along to our Apple MagSafe battery pack, attach that. There's our animation. And let's see. I mean, you can give this a good shake. Shake it hard. Shake it as hard as you can, like you're mad at it, it owes you money, like you just want to, you know, it's just been irritating you all day. Just shake it, shake it, shake it. And this thing is not going anywhere. It is on there super securely. You even got to give it a good bit of force for that to come off. So that is very nice to see with the good MagSafe. And then moving along to our MagSafe stand, we'll go ahead and attach that here. Oh, let me get a good connection. And yeah, you have no issues at all. The MagSafe on here is very, very strong. Now going along to our 360-degree rotation test, go ahead and type a little text, an email, scroll through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, which by the way, make sure you guys are following me there. The links are down in the description below for that. But yeah, all in all, very good vertically. Move it to landscape mode, get on YouTube, watch your favorite Brian's Tech video. Go ahead and rewind, play, pause, fast forward, up, down, whatever you want to do. And this thing is not going anywhere. So really good MagSafe on the Casetify Ultra Bounce case. So if you are somebody who, let's say, rides a bicycle or a motorcycle, you want to put this onto a mount for your bike, you go ahead and put that on there and you have no problems at all. This won't fall off of your charging stand in your bedroom, your office. It's not going to fall off of your car mount if you hit a pothole or anything. Good MagSafe on this case. So let's take a look at some of these other accessories that Casetify has. Now, we'll actually go ahead and bring over our Casetify little lanyard loop right there. Let's take it, let's actually go over here. We'll put it in this case. So you just kind of fish it in right there, right? Let's take our iPhone out of this one and we'll place it in here. So we'll go ahead and put our iPhone in there, right? Here we go, hang on. Like I said, super tight fit on here. So there we go. Our lanyard card is in here. We can see that little lanyard loop right there, and it's not going anywhere. So let's bring over the first thing, which is gonna be the Casetify Ultra Bounce Carabiner. So what you can do with this is put it in any one of these slots right here, and it ends up being a nice carabiner for your iPhone. So let's say you want to just attach this to your waist. Now you got to get this, like I said, very secure. Let's say you want to just attach this to your waist. You can do that with no problems. Attach it to your waist, to your backpack, your purse, your sling bag, your suitcase. You take this carabiner clip, which by the way is made out of aluminum. You just attach it to whatever you want, and this thing is not going to go anywhere. It is on there super, super securely. I'm sitting here and pulling it. You're not going to have any problems with that. And when you're ready to take it off, you can just unhook it right here. Pretty simple. You just kind of get this out of there. Let's see. Just a little bit of struggles right there. And there you go. So that's going to be the Ultra Bounce Carabiner. The price on it is $30. Now, of course, you can use that 15% off by going to the link down in the description, but that is really convenient if you do want to attach this to your belt or your backpack or whatever the case may be. And now let's go ahead and move over to the Casetify Ultra Bounce Utility Lanyard. This thing is really cool. So what you can do is, let's actually bring over our phone again with this strap here. You can take these little lobster clips, you clip one there, right? You take the next one, you can clip this one onto here as well, just like that. And now you have a crossbody lanyard that you can actually take, go ahead and attach it just like this, and now you have a crossbody lanyard for your phone. So that's one of the first options that you can use that with. Now next, we can go ahead and take these little lobster clips off, right? Take it out of here. and we can attach them horizontally right to any of these ultra bounce corners. Anywhere here you want, you can attach it. So first off, let's start and we'll attach it horizontally. And this is nice for, like, let's say you're going on a vacation, a tourist trip. You can go ahead and put this around your neck, wear it just like that, and when you're ready, you take your phone out, take some pictures just like this, and let it hang. And that way, again, it's not going anywhere, but you have quick access to it at any point whenever you want. Now, of course, you can take these clips and just move them, and then it becomes like a vertical attachment. So let's go ahead and take those, put one here on this corner, one here on this corner. Very versatile. And now you can attach it vertically and you'll have no problems there. So the strap is super versatile. You have so many different ways that you can attach it to this case and have no problems hanging it on your neck. You can loosen it, you can tighten it. There is a tightening mechanism right there. So you can get it to whatever size that's comfortable for you. Now what you also can get with this is, let's go ahead and take these little claws off. Get a little bit, there we go. Very easy to take off. Now you can take, it also has this built-in carabiner here. Take that off and it becomes a wrist strap. So all you have to do with this one is you just take it. Let's say you want to attach it wherever. I don't know. Let's go on the card right here. Now you don't have to have this card in. You can still use all these corners without it. But let's attach it right here real quick. There you go. You just take this carabiner right there and you're going to hook it to this little loop here, right? Very simple. There you go. And this thing's not going anywhere. I'm sitting here pulling on it, and now it becomes a wrist strap. So you can use it just like this. Again, if you're out somewhere, you want to keep it on your wrist, you just pull your phone up, go do whatever you're doing, type a few texts, get on social media, I don't know, whatever you guys do on your phones. And when you're done, you just drop it right there, and it's just fine, perfectly like that. So you get a wrist strap now built into the lanyard as well. And of course, with this lanyard, let's go ahead and just unhook that. This is all very, very easy. You get some spots here with the lanyard to attach other stuff right there. So let's go ahead and bring over our AirPods Pro, right? This is the Casetify case. It also has the clip. So you can take, oh, clip's backwards. You can take it, go ahead and hook it right into this. And now let's go ahead and put it right back onto our lanyard. Super simple. Just pull this, hook it right through this loop. And now you can attach this. Let me go. Why don't we hook this right back to the case here? You can attach that. And now you have your AirPods attached right there as well. So again, if you're on like a tour of some kind of nice city that you've never been to, you have your AirPods here, you can hook some whatever other accessories that you have on Carabiner, you can hook your keys to it if you want, all while wearing this, and you know all of your stuff is nice and secure, and you know it's right in front of you. You don't have to have your pockets full if you're wearing pants that don't have pockets. And there you go. Super versatile lanyard on here. You get so many different options with this. It's actually really cool, especially for somebody who doesn't want to necessarily keep things in their pockets. This is a really, really cool lanyard. Now the price on it is $60. I know that's a little high for a lanyard, but you get crazy versatility with it, and of course that 15% off by using my link. So all in all, with the Casetify Ultra Bounce case, you are getting crazy drop protection. You're getting very good versatility with the different accessories you can attach to it. If you really want to, you can even just take your AirPods and attach them right to there as well. So if you want to just walk around, you talk on the phone a lot, you want to just clip them on and off real quick, put them in the case, take them off, you can even do that. And like I said, great drop protection, great versatility. You do get two colors, but you can customize them a little bit on Casetify's website. You got a ton of different accessories you can use with these cases. Good coverage all around, good screen protection, good camera protection, corner protection, nice tight fit. All in all, for that $100 price tag, you do get a lot with this case. So if you're interested, make sure you guys go down to casetify.com/BriansTech. I'll leave that link right here, as well as the first link down in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It goes a very, very long way, and it allows me to make these videos for you guys on a consistent basis. Now, if you guys want to see the Casetify cases that I've already reviewed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, that video is right there. If you want to see me unbox all 4 iPhone 16 Pro Max colors, that video is right there.